Hello guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to the new vlog of Ali Khwaja and Brothers World. Join us in this enchanting journey to our village,
where the harmony of nature and tradition creates a captivating landscape.
Watch as tractor navigates the fertile fields,
A testament to the hard work and dedication that keeps our agricultural heritage alive.
In this video, we immerse ourselves in the lush greenery
that surrounds us, offering the peaceful escape from the hustle bustle of city life.
Experience the simplicity and beauty of village life,
where every moment is infused with the sense of purpose and connection to the land.
This video offers a heartfelt look at the joys of labors of the village living.
Feel the rhythm of village life as we capture villagers diligently working in the field.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting glimpses of life in our village.
Share this video with friends and family to spread the warmth and charm of our beloved homeland.